Today we are presenting a Sri Lankan dish, eggplant with small dry fish. Add water into the dry fish to soak them so that you can easily remove the sand particles. Remove stem of the eggplants thoroughly to remove any chemicals or impurities. Cut eggplants into stripes. Turmeric powder about 1 teaspoon, then add red chili powder about
half teaspoon. I don't want to eat too much.
a little, but you can add even 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder about 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. Curry powder. Already added turmeric, chili, and
mix like this.
curry powder.
Yeah.
Now mix it.
Keep some time.
Leave it for some time so that the ingredients penetrates into the vegetable. This already have been added with coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, and roasted curry powder. Roasted curry powder you can buy from Sri Lankan shops or big supermarkets who stock Sri Lankan spices. Add some water and boil it for some time. Stir onions being fried. It shall be fried until it turns brownish. That's the right time to add it into the dish. The onion is becoming brownish.
Yeah.
Right time to add into the
here.
curry. Stir everything. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add a pinch of salt, olive oil into a frying pan and add the thoroughly washed small dry fish. Stir. We added little fried dry fish into the pan. Cut some green chili and also added into this pan.
Yeah.
Now stir everything. Cover. This has been cooking for last 20 or so minutes now. It is already done. It looks nice. Dish was completed very successfully and it looks marvelous. The Sri Lankan authentic eggplant with dry fish dish. We happen to taste this in a Sri Lankan restaurant here, and I'm sure in Sri Lanka too they cook the same. You too can enjoy. Try and give us comments. Thank you for watching, enjoying with your family.